Have you ever wondered how to see those cool laser beams in movies? It's all about giving the lights something to reflect off of. Today, we're creating our own laser maze. You'll need a laser pointer, a small fog machine, and a dark room. First, set up your fog machine and let it fill the room with a light haze. Don't use too much or it will dim the laser. Now, turn on your laser pointer. Wow, look at that! The laser beam, which was invisible before, is now a brilliant, sharp line cutting through the fog. This happens because the tiny particles of water vapor from the fog machine scatter the laser light, making the entire path of the beam visible to our eyes. You can even use mirrors to bounce the laser around and create a real laser maze.